Alright, so I recently figured out, this is the B&B. My uncle and cousin were staying here. I originally took it over and put strange runic symbols that I don't understand. Elizabeth started drawing a mermaid, and then Lily stopped hanging out with me because crazy ass people who I recently learned, holy shit, one of them may have shat in the floor, but that's it, all these expectations. You know, do that with a depth charge. Anyway, so it's pretty beat up. Papa always said it was a letter of lighters and shit. I mean, he wasn't crazy. He didn't lose his mind, you know. For reference, I guess, see that episode of The Twilight Zone, you know. It's propaganda about your lousy transit. Except not a breaking man because he quit drinking. Hey, no, what's up, buddy? Can't mess with lights. Drink a letter. I won't do that too. I ain't gonna do that, huh? Freaking mirrors everywhere because it's lightning and glass. I don't know. It's like a drawing Pac-Man. Check it out. And lately, I just this supposedly came away from Lithuania with the county. I don't know. Maybe. We certainly did. Anyway, or somewhere like Bass. Anyway, so I don't know. I've been real wary of people lately, and probably for a good reason.